In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade music in Clipchamp. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting started, knowing how to control the audio fade can make a huge difference in the quality of your final product. So let's dive in and walk through the process. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. It's a user-friendly platform offering a range of video editing tools. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. You can easily log in using your Microsoft account by selecting Continue with Microsoft. Once you do that, simply choose your Microsoft account from the list and you're in. Now, from the Clipchamp homepage, you'll want to click on Create a new video to start a fresh project. This action will lead you to the main editing interface where all the magic happens. You'll next need to import your media files. Click on Import Media, and you can either click to browse your files or simply drag and drop your video clips directly onto the timeline. This makes the workflow smooth and efficient. After your videos are on the timeline, it's time to add some music. Navigate to the content library where you'll find a variety of tracks to choose from. Select the music section and pick the piece that best suits your project. Once you've made your choice, drag and drop the music track onto the timeline below your video track. This visual layering helps separate video and audio, making it easier to edit them independently. To work with the music, click on the audio track in the timeline. You'll see various options to customize your audio settings. Look for the fade setting, which is what we'll focus on now. Clicking on this option allows you to control how your music fades in and out, which can enhance transitions between different video scenes or outro sequences. Adjust the fade in and fade out by dragging the respective sliders until you find the perfect balance for your project. Experiment with the duration of the fades, as a longer fade can create a more subtle transition, while a shorter fade might give a punchier effect, depending on what you're aiming for. Your adjustments will be immediately previewed, so take your time to listen and fine-tune the fades to your liking. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to effectively fade music in Clipchamp, adding a professional touch to your video projects. Remember, the key to great editing is experimenting and fine-tuning. Feel free to play around with different tracks and fade durations until you achieve the desired effect. Thanks for watching and happy editing.